Are you tired of feeling like you need experience to make money online? Think again. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money on Fiverr with zero experience. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a side hustle, Fiverr is a great platform to monetize your skills. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to start making money on Fiverr, even if you have no experience. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. To make money on Fiverr with affiliate marketing, start by creating a Fiverr gig that targets people interested in affiliate marketing services. Even tasks such as data entry or transcribing videos can be profitable with little to no experience. Another way to start is by leveraging your existing interests or hobbies. If you're passionate about something, like gaming, cooking, or photography, you can create a gig around offering advice, tips, or digital products related to those topics. Once you've created your gig, focus on providing excellent customer service, delivering high-quality work, and maintaining positive communication with clients. This will help you build a strong reputation and attract more buyers. You can also try to learn new skills through free online resources, and quickly turn those skills into Fiverr gigs. For example, many people offer beginner-level graphic design, video editing, or even creating simple websites using drag-and-drop builders. Keep your gigs priced competitively at first to attract clients and start building reviews, which can help you gain momentum and attract higher-paying projects. By being persistent, open to learning, and providing great value, you can gradually build a successful Fiverr business even with no prior experience. In fact, Fiverr reports that top sellers on their platform can earn thousands of dollars per month, with some making over $10,000 just from offering services like graphic design, writing, or digital marketing. And the best part? You don't need years of experience to start earning. By offering simple services, focusing on customer satisfaction, and using the platform's built-in tools, anyone can create a profitable freelance business. With the right approach, it's possible to build a steady stream of income from home, all while learning and growing your skill set along the way. So, why not take the leap and see how much you can make on Fiverr, even without any prior experience? A common misconception about Fiverr is that you need specialized skills or years of experience to succeed. This myth can be discouraging for aspiring freelancers, especially those just starting out or looking to transition into freelancing. Many people believe that unless they're experts in areas like graphic design, coding, or digital marketing, they won't be able to compete or earn money on the platform. The truth is, Fiverr is full of opportunities for people with basic or general skills, as well as those with no prior experience. Many successful Fiverr sellers offer services that don't require deep expertise, like proofreading, data entry, social media management, or simple administrative tasks. These gigs can be done by anyone with a willingness to learn and a commitment to delivering quality work. Moreover, Fiverr provides a marketplace where people value reliability, consistency, and professionalism just as much as specialized skills. Even without specialized experience, if you can demonstrate good communication, punctuality, and customer service, you can build a loyal client base. In fact, many freelancers start with simpler, lower-priced gigs to build their reputation and gradually scale up as they gain confidence and skills. Instead of feeling discouraged by the belief that you need specialized skills, focus on what you can offer right now, learn as you go, and use the platform to explore different niches and services. Fiverr's low entry barrier means that anyone, regardless of their background or experience level, can find success by starting small and gradually growing their offerings. One inspiring success story is that of Kirk F., not his real name, who started on Fiverr with no prior experience in freelancing or specialized skills and went on to earn a steady income by offering simple services. Kirk was initially skeptical about Fiverr, believing that only highly skilled professionals could succeed. However, after some research, he realized that there was a demand for basic services like social media management and product descriptions, even for someone with minimal experience. He decided to create a gig offering simple, well-written product descriptions and social media posts, which he could do using his natural writing abilities and some basic research. Here are the strategies Kirk used to build his Fiverr business. He began by offering lower-priced gigs, starting at just $5, to attract clients and build his reputation. By keeping the prices affordable, he was able to get his first few clients quickly, which helped him gather positive reviews and build credibility on the platform. Even without much experience, Kirk focused on delivering high-quality work and maintaining excellent communication with his clients. He made sure to respond quickly to messages, asked clarifying questions when needed, and always delivered on time, which built trust and encouraged repeat business. As he got more orders, Kirk realized that his clients often needed additional services like SEO optimization for product descriptions or more tailored social media strategies. Rather than turning these requests away, he took the time to learn these skills through online courses and tutorials. By expanding his knowledge and adding more services to his gigs, he was able to raise his prices and cater to a wider range of clients. Kirk took advantage of Fiverr's promotional features, like offering gig extras for additional services, e.g., faster delivery or SEO optimization, and gradually increased his gig prices as his skills improved and his reputation grew. Fiverr's platform made it easy for him to stay organized and track progress, while the ratings and feedback from clients helped him refine his offerings. Within a year, Kirk went from earning just a few dollars to generating $2,000 per month, all through Fiverr. His experience shows that even without specialized expertise, anyone can succeed by offering high-quality service, continually learning, and utilizing the tools available on the platform. Kirk's success story proves that with persistence and a commitment to quality, you can start making money on Fiverr, even with no experience. One effective way to earn money on Fiverr without experience is by offering personalized services. People love products or services that are tailored just for them. For example, you could create personalized digital greeting cards, custom gift ideas, or even personalized motivational quotes for social media profiles. This type of service is in demand for birthdays, holidays, or special events, and all you need is some creativity and basic tools like Canva or other free design apps. If you have a knack for design or content creation, you can make money by selling pre-made digital products. These could be things like templates, planners, checklists, resumes, or social media post templates. Once you create a few designs, you can sell them multiple times without having to start from scratch each time. This allows you to generate passive income while leveraging your initial efforts. If you have knowledge or skills on any subject, you can create a short online course on Fiverr. It doesn't have to be an extensive course, just a few lessons that teach people basic skills in a subject you're comfortable with. It could be anything from how to organize your workspace to creating a budget or using a specific software. As long as you're able to share useful knowledge, you can sell these mini courses at an affordable price. A lot of people need help with basic research, whether it's finding specific information on a topic, gathering market data, or comparing products. If you have access to reliable online resources and know how to search efficiently, offering research services on Fiverr is a great way to make money. You can find a niche area to focus on, such as researching business ideas, industry trends, or even competitive analysis. Many businesses and influencers need help with engaging on social media platforms, especially when it comes to responding to comments, liking posts, or leaving thoughtful remarks. This is a simple, entry-level task that doesn't require much experience but can be very valuable to clients who want to increase their online presence. You can offer a gig that provides consistent, meaningful engagement on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. If you can type quickly and accurately, transcription services are a great way to make money on Fiverr. You don't need specialized skills, just good listening and typing abilities. You can transcribe podcasts, interviews, videos, or audio files. Many content creators, businesses, and educators are constantly in need of transcription services, so this is a service with steady demand. If you're comfortable using email marketing tools like MailChimp or other platforms that offer drag and drop features, you can offer to create and manage basic email campaigns. Even with zero experience, there are plenty of free resources online that can help you get up to speed with email marketing basics. Many small businesses need help crafting effective email sequences to engage their audience. If you have a clear and pleasant voice, you can start offering voiceover services for various projects, like explainer videos, podcasts, or even voicemail greetings. It's a simple service to get started with, and there are plenty of beginner-friendly voiceover gigs available. You can use free recording software, set up a quiet space, and begin offering your services on Fiverr with no experience. Similar to general research services, you can specialize as a virtual research assistant. This involves helping people organize information, gather data, or even assist in academic or business research. It's a task that doesn't require much more than good organizational skills and the ability to efficiently search online databases. This type of gig is especially appealing to students, researchers, or small businesses. Even without specialized knowledge, you could offer tutoring or coaching services in general subjects, like English grammar, basic math, or even study tips. You don't need a degree to help someone improve their skills in an area where you're comfortable. You can teach people how to study better, how to stay organized, or even how to pass certain types of exams. The key is to tap into services that are in demand, focus on delivering excellent customer service, and continuously improve your skills as you gain more experience. Over time, these gigs can evolve into more complex services, allowing you to scale your income. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Fiverr. Do you think it's possible to make money without prior experience, or have you already started your freelancing journey? Drop a comment below and share your experiences, questions, or any tips you might have. If you're looking to start your affiliate marketing business and want to take advantage of the best offer of the year, now is the perfect time. Don't wait any longer to kickstart your journey and start earning commissions from home. Check out the link in the description to grab the offer and get started today. This could be your first step toward building a successful affiliate marketing business. Let's make next year your most profitable yet.